Hi, friends and parents. It's Miss Godfrey here. I sent out a Zoom meeting today. We're gonna try something new, and I would love if it would work. It's called a Zoom meeting where Miss Godfrey will create a meeting, and then I will send you a link, and you can click on that meeting at the time that I schedule, and we could see each other and work together. So you can get to see your teachers and your classmates. So I sent you an email and all you have to do is click on this link. So I'm going to read you this email. It says, hello, I want to try and meet with everyone who can on a virtual call called a Zoom call. Please click on the link today at 11 o'clock and we can say hello to each other and see our teachers and classmates. So today we're going to just have a morning meeting. We'll sing some songs, say hello to each other, see if this works. And then if it does, we can schedule some other meetings, maybe some morning meetings or maybe a time where we can learn together. So everyone got this email, and some of you I sent a text message, are going to click here on the Zoom. Um, and it might prompt you to make just a name, so you just have to type in a name. You click here, open link, and then it should take you right to the meeting. It will show, you click join with computer and on audio, and that way you can see a video here. So right now it just says M for Miss Godfrey, but for our meeting today, you'll see Miss Godfrey's face and we'll see your face. And then here is a mute that will mute me from talking so you won't hear me. I might ask you to mute your computer so Miss Godfrey can give directions and then unmute when we take turns talking. So hopefully that works today. I'm going to click end meeting and I would love to see you. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email. All right, bye.